All right, it is time. It's September. I've been waiting for, bless you, my cat just sneezed. It's September, we made it, we're finally here. I love single origin brews, pour overs, geeking out about fancy coffee terms as much as the next guy. But from September to January, I'm a pumpkin spice bitch. I'm pumpkin spice everything. I'm talking candles, lotion, potato chips, sometimes if they have them, and the mood strikes me at Trader Joe's and I don't have anything else to eat, but I really want pumpkin spice candy, everything. I want pumpkin spice everything. So that's what we're doing today. We're doing fall favorites, one of which is going to be a vegan pumpkin spice latte, a salted caramel mocha frappuccino, and an apple caramel spiced hot toddy. This is going to be amazing. It's all going to be vegan. All the recipes, materials, and everything you need are going to be linked down low. It's all relatively easy to find. You can get all this stuff from Target or Amazon. Without any further ado, let's go. Alright, so first things first, as with every other brew method here, we're going to go ahead and rinse out our filter. This is a good habit to get into because it helps get rid of any chemical residue or papery taste that might mess with your coffee. Just go ahead and pop this onto your aeropress like so, and discard the water. Next, add about 17 grams of finely ground coffee into your aeropress here, and fill it with water up to the number 4 on the side of your aeropress. This shouldn't take more than 10 seconds, it's kind of like an accelerated bloom, so just make sure everything is evenly saturated while you're pouring and give it a stir. Pop the plunger on the top and let it brew for about a minute and 15 seconds. Once that's done, go ahead and remove the plunger, give it one more quick stir, and start your extraction. You want to push it down slowly and evenly until you hear a faint hiss. This whole process shouldn't take more than 40 seconds. Next, we're going to take our pumpkin spice syrup from Target's in-house brand called Good & Gather and add about 1 teaspoon. You can add more or less here, there's no judgment, it's a safe space for pumpkin spice lovers, but I'm only doing 1 teaspoon. Next, we're going to add some oat milk that's been warmed to 145 degrees Fahrenheit to our pitcher and give it 1 to 3 quick buzzes with the hand frother. Swirl this around evenly to disperse the oxygen and even tap it a couple times on the counter to get rid of any huge bubbles and keep it silky smooth. Go ahead and pour your milk, add some non-dairy whipped cream, and top with some pumpkin pie spice. Enjoy your vegan pumpkin spice latte. Now for our salted caramel mocha frap, we're using coffee that's been brewed the same as before. Add about 1/4 of a cup to a blender with 2 cups of ice, 3/4 cups of oat milk, 2 very generous tablespoons of Hershey's chocolate syrup, 2 very generous tablespoons of Torini's salted caramel syrup, add 1/8 teaspoon of xanthan gum for our binder, and a few cracks of sea salt. If your blender has a smoothie setting, go ahead and use that, but otherwise just blend until smooth. Go ahead and pour your frappuccino into a glass, top with some non-dairy whipped cream, chocolate syrup, and another pinch of sea salt. Add a fancy reusable straw, and now you can charge your friends $7 for a cup of coffee. Enjoy. Alright, so for our nightcap, we're going to warm about 5 ounces of store-bought apple cider to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm using Wild Turkey since this majestic beast is the patron saint of Thanksgiving. And it was on sale at Total Wine, which is always a steal. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to take away some of the bourbon's bitterness. 1 tablespoon of salted caramel syrup. Again, you can add more or less of both of these if you want. I'm a little bit of a baby, so I did add some extra. Give it a stir, top with some whipped cream, cinnamon powder. Bada bing, bada boom. You got a great cocktail drink while you try to ignore your uncle's weird, awkward comments at Thanksgiving's dinner. You're welcome. I just fixed family holidays. Alright, that was 3 fall favorites. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, everything's going to be relatively easy and cheap to find, either Amazon or Target. It's all going to be linked below. The recipes are going to be typed up in the description for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below and I'll make a new video for you next time. Other than that, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Peace out.